Women's Council of Realtors has meant different things for me throughout the years of my membership and involvement. It has given me confidence. It's shown me the importance of collaboration with your peers. I've had the opportunity to represent the council both on a local, state, national, and international level. And let me tell you that the credibility that the Women's Council has throughout the world even is amazing. If I were to summarize what Women's Council has done for me throughout the years of my involvement, I would definitely say I've had individual growth both on a personal and professional level. My husband and I have grown our brokerage to over 400 agents and 4 offices throughout South Florida. Been a part of our agents' success and know what it takes to up your game and get to that next level, and that's exactly what I want to do for the members of Women's Council. I know what it takes. I have the resources, tools, and systems to help our members go to the next level. My name is Dinorah Guerra, and I'm a proud member of the Women's Council of Realtors.